I know, it looks scary to watch. And it probably hurts too. But it shouldn't. Because I have my lens protectors on from MagicJohn. So my lenses are safe, the paint job is safe, and the only thing is this affordable lens protector. And you get two inside the box too. So they're extremely easy to replace, because without it, what you're gonna end up, oh no, is this. Now with our lens protectors though, they come in two different parts. This part is made of metal, protects the base, and this magnetic snap-on lens protector. So you get no dust, no air bubbles in under 10 seconds. Our lens protectors have hydrophobic electroplated oleofoam clear, which makes them silky smooth and fingerprint proof. They are
amazing,
scratch resistant, and actually made to protect the whole entire surface properly. And if you like it, you get two sets in each box that are a bunch of different colors, so click the OK temperatures now.